Welcome to Creative Tien channel. It's a graduation season and I'm helping my daughter picking up a graduation dress for the middle school graduation. And we decided to go with a thrift store because I think we can find more unique and affordable items. So we pick out a few dresses. She haven't decided which one she wants to wear yet. The graduation ceremony is in 2 days. But I want to show you the 3 different options here. The first one is a black dress. It's actually 2 different dresses. We combine them into one. These are the 2 dresses we found. Both are black, and the first one has lace top, and the second one has a lot of lace ruffles. So we decided to combine both, cut off the lace ruffle from one dress and sew into the first dress. And I also cut off the skirt and sew it to the first dress. So it has more layers and it has that interesting detail. The second dress is a light pink color, also with lace. And it has a zipper in the back. And it's more lacy around the shoulder and on both sides of the waist. So it has enough coverage in the right area. And the third dress is a white one. It's pretty similar to the second dress with all over lace. The skirt is a little bit longer on the left and right side. It's a very interesting cut. And after trying on, she wants to be more fitted around the waist. So I add an elastic around the waist. And it's very simple to make. I measured her waist, cut the length, and overlap a little bit. And then I put 4 pins in the 4 equal spaces. And then I just hand sew it together. So that will fit better if she picks this dress. So that's the 3 dresses and my alteration. And she'll probably add a pearl necklace and some flowers on the wrist. I'm not too crazy about the shoes she picked, but she says everybody's wearing that type of shoes right now, so it must be trendy. So which one you think will be the best as a middle school graduation dress? Let me know in the comment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.